loves when
That would have been so funny.
I have dum-dums, suckers in her drawer in there.
Hey, Grandma.
She can't fall asleep while she's eating a dum-dum.
Right.
I don't know how she can eat it. She has one snack.
Is she going to chew these?
Hey, Grandma, what are those called?
How she chews it? What is it? What is it?
Candy.
Yeah, what kind?
Turtle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at Trisha. Look at Trisha.
Hey, Grandma, I'm video.
Show her. Show her what you got. Whoa.
What's it? What is it? A turtle? Are those your favorite?
It's in her mouth.
Are those your favorite, Grandma?
Is that your favorite?
She used to love
Tell her. Good.
It's your favorite?
Chewing on that once. And that tooth doesn't even have enamel on it. It's just the back of it.
Wow. Aw, it's a camera, Grandma.
Maybe see if she remembers this. Hey, Mom. Do you remember who's having a baby?
Ooh.
Think a minute. Who's having a baby? They came to see you last week. It's my baby. My baby's having a baby. Who is it?
I'm trying to think.
You know. Danny. Danny.
Sandy.
Danny.
Oh, Danny.
Yeah, do you remember his girlfriend? Molly. Molly. Wish I had my camera. I've got the cutest picture of the two of them.
Aw.
And Mom has her hand on Molly's belly.
Yeah.
How she is with babies. She
Oh.
ran
Aw.
from ear to ear. She went, oh, she's having a baby.
Aw.
I said, you want to feel it?
I bet she did. She loves babies. She loves anything to do with babies.
I know. Always has, always will.
Do you have
Yeah.
a hair tie for her? I'll braid her hair. Do you
Yeah, I do. Hold on.
With other people.
Oh gosh. He died, he had a heart attack a long time ago.
He died when?
He had a heart attack in 1960. Usually she'll,
remember that, wouldn't you?
she usually does. Because she'll go, no, I didn't have him very long. He was a good man.
Aw. Who's your favorite kid?
Who's your favorite kid?
Who's my favorite kid? You.
Oh, you changed. You said Neil. You said Neil was. That's okay. He can be your favorite.
Who's your favorite grandkid?
Who's your favorite grandkid?
I don't know.
Oh.
You don't know? You knew a minute ago.
Good afternoon,
You knew a minute ago.
Please join us for happy hour with Matt Davis at 2:30 at the main dining room.
Happy hour?
Yes,
Ooh.
it's happy hour with Matt Davis at 2:30 at the main dining room. We have a PVR.
Are those jeans got rips in the side? Like where you can see your leg?
No.
Look at that tree.
Yeah. So
Ouch,
who's your
Liz.
favorite kid?
Who's my favorite kid?
Yeah.
I don't have any.
Now she's...
But she's being smart now.
Who's your favorite grandkid?
Me, of course.
Trisha! Ding, ding, ding. Yes, I did. I did. She's pretty.
She's a good kid.
I'm your favorite, Grandma?
There she
I'm your
is.
favorite? Am I your favorite grandchild? Yeah? No, not you, Trisha, no.
Yeah.
Thanks, Grandma.
Is